Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I have no idea if I'm in frame. Super hoping I am. My name is Nacine, I'm 37. I do keto vlogs daily. I do cooking videos, grocery hauls, meal prepping, keto related reviews, you name it. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love all the clicky clickies. I have decided to have a keto chow today. Woo! Anyways, I took a week off of keto chow. I'm not gonna be drinking keto chow every single day, but I felt like having a keto chow today. So I prepared it last night, which is how I like to do it because it thickens once it sits in the refrigerator overnight. So another thing I want to tell you guys is I admitted yesterday that I was still struggling on keto, just in general. Not struggling like eating keto foods, but struggling staying within my macros and not overeating. And I decided I was gonna go back to regular keto and give it a shot and see. I just want to see if it's the higher protein that I'm struggling with or what, because if you knew, and if you didn't know, I was doing a higher protein keto, which I fully support, and it did help me break a stall, but maybe I need the higher fat right now to get my body back on track. I seem to be craving a lot of the fats. So it's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do it. I redid my macros last night, so I'm still at 20 net carbs. I think my protein before was 125. Now my protein is 90. My fat macros before were 86. Now they are 136, I think. And my calories, I was set at 1354. They're now like 1536 or something around there. Sometimes it, and I couldn't even tell you, like, the calorie issue was big for me going into that much of a deficit. I'm hoping that I've read that sometimes you need to bump your calories to get your body like shocked and get moving again. I don't know. I'm willing to try anything. So I'm going back to basic keto. That's how I lost most of my weight in the first place. I've lost 70 pounds. I'm not gaining anything, but I'm just struggling with my eating, you know, craving and just, I mean, eating like everything, just shoving it all in my mouth as fast as I can. And that is not, I've not had that problem on my journey. So for it to pop up now after almost close to a year, I started keto November 1st, 2018, and it is almost September now, so I'm a few months shy, but I've never had this issue, only in the past month and a half, and it's just not okay with me. So I'm going back to the higher fat keto. I'm gonna see how that works for me. I'm gonna see if it helps keep me satisfied, and you know, if it doesn't work out, then I can always switch back to it. I still am going to drink my Sole water, which I forgot to get this morning, because the Sole water has nothing to do with the higher protein. That is literally just a electrolyte replacement to make sure that you're getting all your electrolytes. So I'm going to continue to drink that. And I'm going to enjoy my keto chow, which I made with 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of almond milk, and what is it, 10 ounces of water. And then I put in some of the Skinny Syrups pumpkin praline pie. You guys, it's to die for. That is absolutely delicious. And this is chocolate keto chow. That is absolutely delicious. If you are new to my channel, and you are interested in trying Keto Chow, I do have a 10% discount code in the description below for Keto Chow. I am now an affiliate with Keto Chow, so I will get a little bit of kickback if you do order from them. Other than that, I'm gonna enjoy my Keto Chow, and I'm gonna catch up on YouTube videos, and I will see you guys on my way home. Bye. Hey guys, man, there was such a bad accident. I'm going away that I've never been before. Thank God for GPS, that's all I have to say. It was bad. Like, it was, oh, it made me feel sick. I mean, I didn't see anything, but just the amount of damage to the cars. And like, I take back roads all the way home, so I have to go through the country. Like, I'm just passing a bunch of cows right now. So it's like a country road, like the speed limit's like 50, 55. And it just gives me horrible feelings because in 2004, I believe, my Aunt Chris and my cousin Tiffany, who my daughter is named after, Tiffany Christine, they were in a fatal car accident on a country road. They hit a semi-truck head-on, and they totaled their car, and the semi was also totaled. It was an intense crash, and my aunt, my cousin, and my cousin's friend all passed away. My cousin was the same age as I was. We were like 20 or 21. It was hard. Very, very hard thing. And for the longest time, I could not be around semi-trucks. I could not, for the life of me, ever drive on an interstate or a big highway or country roads. I would be white knuckle, like holding onto the steering wheel, shaking, almost in tears with anxiety if I had to even go on the interstate. It was bad. So seeing that and seeing the amount of damage to the cars and it being on a country road, it kind of just really, the anxiety hit me. And I'm one who doesn't like to like drive and not know where they are. I get very nervous when I don't know where I am. So I can visually see on my car, like the map, you know, is pulled up, and I'm just following the blue line. The boys and Tiffany have open house today. So thank God for meal prep, because I don't have to cook dinner or anything. Everything is cooked, we just have to heat it up. I was nervous when I seen that accident that I wouldn't get home in time, because I would already get home at 5:30 because we've been staying until 4:30, and I seen the accident. I'm like, great. But, oh great, another great. Now we're on a dirt road. Okay, this is great. But yeah, I was like, crap, I'm not gonna get home in time, because it's from 5 to 6, and I'm not gonna get home until like 5:30. Wow, okay, don't slow down or anything, dude, because this is like, wow. These back roads are atrocious. It's all dirt, and it's like these are brand new roads or something. I don't know. I don't like it at all. They're very slippery. I can announce who my collab is with tomorrow, but you won't see this video until tomorrow after the collab. Well, you may see this video before the collab goes up, because I will put this video up at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then my collab video will be up at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is with the Countess of Low Carb, Elizabeth. The Countess of Low Carb. Do you know who she is? Do you know? Holy freaking cow. I have watched her channel since I very first started keto, before I even dreamt of making a channel. So to be collabing with the very first keto YouTuber that I ever started watching is a monumental, insane feeling. Totally insane. If you don't follow me on Instagram, KETOMOMMA82, you totally should. She mentioned me in her story. As she was preparing for her meal prep for the video, she was at Costco doing a Costco haul, and she almost got kicked out of Costco. So I thought that was kind of funny. But I really wish we had a Costco. Man, I wish we had a Costco. Anyways, the Countess of Low Carb, Elizabeth. Insane. I love her. She is so amazing. I know you guys know who she is. You have to know who she is. Everybody knows who she is. Oh my God, there's a whole bunch of sheep up here. I wish I knew where I was. Oh my God, what is that? Birds. There's so many birds on the road. Where the heck am I? I'm like, move, birds. Oh my God, I literally have to stop. There's so many birds. Oh my God, what is going on? Oh my God, this is insane. What are those? Baby cows? Where am I? Oh no, they're sheep. I'm scared. Oh my God. There was so many birds. Why were they all in the road? I want to live out here. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just mumbling and I'm in a no, that wasn't backwards talk. Alright, I'll see you guys.
That's the two groups out of his class. Mrs. and Mrs.
Alright guys, so we just met Reese and Peyton's teachers. The classes look really fun. Like when I was a kid, we didn't have classrooms like that. These classrooms have like couches and like 3 or 4 couches and tables and like little cushions on the floor to kneel down and sit at the tables, and it's just very like home roomy. And the teachers are young and just like, they're neat, they're cool. I wish I had teachers like that when I was a kid. I really think that Peyton, I think Mr. Wilson, right? Mm-hmm. I think it's gonna be a fun class. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Reese and Peyton are not in the same class. They were in the same class for the first few years, but I think 3rd grade, was it 3rd grade when they switched, you guys? Yeah. 3rd grade, they switched it, so they were not in the same class anymore. And here, what they do is they do a couple subjects with one teacher, and then the classes switch. So even though Reese and Peyton don't have the same teacher, they switch halfway through the day, so they really still have the same teacher, just at different times, and that means their homework is all the same. So that's beneficial. And we still have an hour before we go to Tiffany's. Hers is going to be a little bit more hectic because there's going to be 7th graders everywhere and lockers and insane stuff. The boys have lockers too, but there's not locks on their lockers that they have to memorize and find.
They have complicated lockers, like
they don't get their lockers till like the teacher assigns them.
I know.
4th graders can understand.
But yeah, so that is that. And I know I have things meal prepped for dinner, but because we have an hour to kill in between going to Tiffany's school, we're just gonna go to McDonald's and get a couple burgers, and that's gonna be dinner. We'll have to grab something for Corey and bring it home because he, like I said earlier, he does not have his orientation today. They already had his orientation and we missed it. Hey guys, this is what I got from McDonald's. I got a double quarter pounder with cheese, no bun. It does have the onion. There's not very much, and there is a little tiny dab of ketchup. And then I got a side salad, ooh, like a side salad with the ranch. The ranch is like 7. What the hell?
KETOMOMMA is a cuss word. Well, I got ashamed.
Holy crap, this is 7 carbs.
Whoa.
Holy crap. What the heck?
That's a lot of ranch.
That's not a lot. Maybe I'll only use half. Either way, I'm gonna eat. Oh my god. So that'll be the last time I have a sandwich from McDonald's. Can you believe how many carbs a double quarter pounder with cheese with no bun is?
Yeah, 7 carbs. Oh, woo-hoo.
9.
What?
It's 9 carbs.
Oh.
Can you believe how many carbs are in a packet of ranch dressing for a side salad from McDonald's?
7. 3.
7 total carbs, 6 net carbs. I'm sticking to Wendy's, where I can get a burger for 4 carbs, a huge, gigantic burger for 4 carbs, and a side salad with dressing for 2 carbs.
You should
Thank you very much. McDonald's is so carby. What the heck? Alright guys, this is what I am ending my night with, and I am having some pretty darn good macros. So I am at 20 of 20 net carbs, 115 grams of fat out of 129, 84 grams of protein out of 90, and 1,473 calories out of 1,598. As you can see, I had some Omega Power Creamer Pumpkin Spice and some almond milk in my coffee this morning. I had my Keto Chow, which is, this is all laid out right there, and then I had that double quarter pounder with no bun and some egg salad. This is the salad from McDonald's, but without the tomato. It's literally just this, I think it's like a spinach and spring mix, and then my own ranch, and then 138 grams of egg salad, which that could totally be wrong because all that's in my egg salad is just mayo and egg, but I just weighed it and just found a generic egg salad in my carb manager. So that is what I'm ending the night with, you guys, and I'm feeling good. Have a good night. Hey guys, don't mind this, like I just got out of the shower and I didn't get everything off of my eyes, obviously. I just wanted to jump on here and say good night, and also say I'm very excited about tomorrow's video, and I am currently editing my video for tomorrow, and there is another open collab besides for the Chaffle one, that it's going to be like basically it's just going to be a very short video, like 1 to 2 minutes. There's a bunch of people included in it, and it's basically like just showing your subscribers and people out there, like I started at this weight, I'm at this weight now, and this is me, and like stand up and let the camera see your body, like what you have done, how far you have come, what you've accomplished, basically. If you're interested in it, if you are interested in that, let me know. I can forward you the email and you can join in on the collab. I think that it's awesome, and it's a great way to remind yourself how far you have come, especially if you're on the struggle bus like I am right now. I did have a really good keto day. I had yesterday, and I'm excited for tomorrow's weigh-in because I weighed myself before my shower and I was at my low, and it's night and I've eaten and drank and everything. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, tomorrow morning it's gonna be a new low. So yeah, if you're interested in that or my Chaffle collab idea, please comment. Bye guys.